Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Spokane Valley. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Super 8 by Wyndham Spokane Valley. This hotel is 4 minutes from downtown Spokane Valley, Washington and Splashdown Water Park. It offers a grab-and-go breakfast and features spacious rooms with free Wi-Fi. Each air-conditioned room at the Super 8 by Wyndham Spokane Valley is furnished with a microwave, refrigerator and coffee maker. Decorated with warm colors and carpeted floors, all rooms include a cable TV and work desk. Free access to the indoor pool and hot tub is located in the adjacent building is provided to all guests of the Spokane Valley Super 8 by Wyndham. Adjacent to the lobby is a business center and guests can also work out in the gym. Esmeralda Golf Course is 6 miles from the hotel. Downtown Spokane and Riverfront Park are both 7.8 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.